show you how to make a teacup collage out of paper you can make yourself. So one of my favourite things to do is to make painted paper like this using stencils. The first thing to do is to choose the paper you'd like. I think this one would make a very nice teacup. I think this one would also make a nice teacup. I think that's really beautiful. They would make nice teacups. So I've got my little cup here. Okay. So I'm going to lay it down on the back, grab my pencil, and trace around the cup, first part of our cup. So it's looking good so far. And stick the handle on as well. So there's our first little cup. And it's so easy to do. It's so cute and so easy. Cut it out, of course. And cut and stick it inside the cup. Go with this one here. Maybe this one. Little grey bird. Little grey bird. So he's going to sit somewhere on top. How's that? Ooh, so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? That lip down the bottom there, that had... I'm going to put a bit of extra shadow on this side actually, but I'm still going to put some shadow down the bottom. Okay, let's add some water. So you can see how that becomes a very strong shadow. Maybe some highlight on the handle, something down here maybe on here. Ooh, happy creating!